Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. Glad to see you all here on this occasion. We are Group 3 from the FB in STM Economic Bandung. Here we will explain about bar chart statistic of water pollution in several countries. Okay, in the left side we can see the bar chart. From that chart we can see how many water pollution per ton or cubic kilometer in several countries. This bar chart illustrated the figure of water pollution in several countries. The horizontal axis is represent the amount of water pollution, and the vertical axis is represent the name of the countries. Alright, so firstly, in our country Indonesia, in this case, Indonesia is a country in Asia which has the lowest amount of water pollution due to its management, such as waste or rubbish and so on in Indonesia. Then as a result, the amount is so small, the possibility is only as much as maybe about 0.1 to 0.2 water pollution per kilometer in the ocean. And similarly in India, this country has a slightly larger amount of water pollution compared to Indonesia. The number is close to 1 ton of water pollution per kilometer in the ocean. And compared to China, in the same way, the country with the most population in the world has a high amount of water pollution, which is almost close to 4 ton of water pollution in the ocean. Okay, explanation of the next bar chart will be continued by Faisal Ibrahim. Thank you.
Alright, Eric, I will continue his presentation. Similarly, in Japan is also the most population of water pollution in Japan. This is because chemical waste discarded into the Gulf in very large amount of 4.3 tons per kilogram. And according Malaysia, neighbor country Greenpeace report that the amount of plastic waste sent to Malaysia reached 0.5 tons of waste kilogram and result in pollution of the ocean in Malaysia. Well, this percentage will be continued by my friend Sadam.
Yes, thank you Faisal. Now I will continue the presentation. It can be seen from the chart, the level of water pollution in Oman is not too high, at around 2 to 3 tons of water pollution per kilometer. But it is still far from the figure of 3 tons of water pollution per kilometer. Yes, approximately around 2.4 tons of water pollution per kilometer. Whereas water pollution in the Philippines is less than 1 tons of water pollution per kilometer, approximately 0.7 tons of water pollution per kilometer. Water pollution in the Philippines is less than compared to water pollution in Oman. It is good for the discussion of other countries will be explained by Rofi.
Okay, right, Saddam. I will contain the percentage like wheels in Russia. Water pollution tends to be a little, which is around 0.5 tons of garbage kilometer in the ocean. This includes South Korea, the country with the most operation, which has very high water pollution compared to the country in the diagram, which is about 5.8 tons of waste kilometer in the ocean. Make this presentation will be contained by my friend Hafid. Thank you.
Okay, Rofi, thank you for allowing me to talk. Alright, next to Thailand. This country has a slightly smaller water pollution compared to China. Thailand has a pollution rate of 3.5 tons per kilometer in the ocean. Likewise, Turkey, which has far less water pollution compared to Thailand. This country of Turkey only has a figure of maybe 1 ton more per kilometer in the ocean. Alright, from this bar chart, we can conclude that biggest water pollution in located in South Korea. Then in South Korea, that's near to 6 ton of pollution per kilometer, and followed by Japan. That's more than 4 tons of pollution per kilometer. Furthermore, the lowest water pollution is in Indonesia and followed by Malaysia. Russia and the Philippines, they have water pollution that less than 1 ton per kilometer, and they are the countries that have the best management for water pollution. That's all the presentation from our group 3. Sorry if there are mistakes. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.